Hello, and how are you doing today? I'm doing the best I can. Thank you for asking. And I hope you're doing the same. I am working on a new project. It's a new video. It's about the stages of becoming divine. There are 13 stages, and I'm going to do my best to show the preview of what I have come up with so far.
The seeker in the night yearns for the morning light, searching every corner wide for truths you cannot hide. The architect of hands so skilled